Hope everybody's having a good morning, evening, or afternoon. Whenever this video reaches you, today I got an unboxing. I know what these earbuds are. They're realme earbuds, but I don't know the full name. So let me get my big unboxing knife out. Make sure I cut away from myself, because going to the hospital during the holiday season is no fun. I got these earbuds not too long ago. So whenever this video does come out, I will be dropping a review before the end of the year. Okay. I knew they were called Realme Buds. I didn't know the exact name. So Realme Buds Air 2. Decent box. Let's see what kind of features we got on here. We got active noise cancellation, 24 hours of total playback, 88 millisecond super latency. So that's a pretty good game mode. Let me see, 10 millimeter hi-fi bass boost drivers, transparency mode, and 10 minutes of charge for 120 minutes of playback. Oh, interesting. Okay. These aren't bad. Go ahead and get this plastic off of here and let's open this thing up. Let's see what these things can do. Let gravity do its thing. Don't troll me. Don't troll me, realme. There we go. Okay, I got the white ones. I wasn't sure what color I picked. Like I said, it's been a minute since I got these. So that's the earbuds. I'm gonna put them to the side. So you get two little sleeves. Let me get the user manual out first. So, okay, I thought that was two separate boxes, but no. So you got the silicone tips. Okay, that's large and small. So medium comes on there by default. And we got, ooh, look at this. I gotta take this out of here. Look at this. I've never seen a charging cable. Look, it's even branded. Realme. That's cool. Okay. Not bad. Put all that away. Let's see. We got the brochure. Yep, we got the brochure user manual. You got touch twice to pause or play music or answer or end the call. Touch 3 times to skip forward. Press and hold 2 seconds on either side to decline the incoming call. And press and hold for 2 seconds on both sides to switch between noise canceling modes. Looking like we're getting ANC on or ambient mode on. Sheesh. Alright, let's look at the earbuds. Oh, it's got some writing on here. Okay, it's telling you the commands. It says something on the back here. What does it say? Oh, open up the charging case and press the button on the side for 3 seconds. It says press and hold the button for 10 seconds. The factory reset. Okay. Alright. Let me get my Pixel 6. Okay. That's why. They don't have film. They got some paper, some type of, what is that? I guess that's to keep them from being charged while they're in the case, while they're traveling. Okay, let me put them back in there. Okay, here they go. Realme Buds Air 2. They're paired. Okay, I got 100% battery life. Let me see. The highest codec is AAC. Let me see how they fit in the ears. I like the look. It looked like they just took like some Dodge style earbuds and just super glued this on here. I don't even know if this is really, is this chrome plated or is this real? Let me see. Oh, that's real metal. Yeah, I'm going to have to move up when it comes to tips. These are a little loosey-goosey in my ears. Yeah, they're just coming right out. All you got to do is just twist or put it in and then twist the lock. That lock's not working. This lock is cheap as hell. Or, well, let me see. The seal is okay for these, but I'm going to need something to keep them from falling out. Base is okay. I like the way these look though. These are some funky looking earbuds. These look nice. Let's see. Let's slap on some mediums on here. Hopefully they'll fit. Yep, they fit. That's why it's always a good idea to keep some extra spin fits laying around. Okay, these fit. Alright, let's check them out. Yeah, they look good. Much better. Okay, now let's see how the music sounds. Perfect. Seems like only one of them is working. Seems like only the right one was fully charged up. Seems like I got plenty of, yeah, I got plenty of battery on the case, but it looks like only the right one. No, dang, it's still coming out of my ears easy. Yeah, I might I might have to switch to the 1025s. I mean, these fit on here perfectly, but they're not staying in my ears. Well, anyway, I'll do this off camera. But this has been the unboxing of the Realme Buds Air 2 with ANC. And enjoy your sound, enjoy your life. I'll see you in the next one.